Tired of dealing with messy HDMI cables and limited screen setups? It's time to go wireless. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver sets that offer high-definition, low-latency performance without the clutter. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Vrriis O84L wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Vrriis O84L wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a reliable solution for transmitting high-definition video and audio signals without the hassle of cables. Supporting Full HD 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, it delivers clear, stable images and smooth, colorful visuals accompanied by high-quality sound free from noise. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications, including gaming and sports broadcasts, where a minimal latency of 0.05 seconds ensures real-time performance. Setting up the Vrriis O84L is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring no software installation. Its plug-and-play design allows users to quickly connect the transmitter to any HDMI source and the receiver to an HD TV or projector, simplifying the process and reducing cable clutter. The device uses dual antennas and supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands to achieve high-speed transmission over an impressive range. In an open field, the signal can be extended up to 656 feet through a point-to-point connection, ensuring a strong and stable link. However, physical barriers such as walls, metal, bricks, or glass may reduce the effective range or cause signal loss. Compatibility is wide-ranging, as the Vrriis O84L works seamlessly with most TVs, satellite receivers, set-top boxes, DVRs, laptops, and other media devices equipped with HDMI outputs. This versatility makes it ideal for office presentations, conferences, church projections, or enhancing home entertainment systems. Overall, the Vrriis O84L wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver combines ease of use, long-range wireless connectivity, and broad device compatibility to provide a convenient and efficient way to enjoy high-definition media without the limitations of cables. Coming in at number 4, the Bdffly DT257W wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Bdffly DT257W wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a seamless wireless solution for transmitting high-definition video and audio signals without the need for cables or complicated setups. Designed with plug-and-play convenience, this device eliminates the clutter of HDMI cables and allows users to connect within 10 seconds, making it ideal for both home and office environments. To enhance usability, the package includes 3 versatile adapters: USB-C to HDMI 4K, micro HDMI 8K, and mini HDMI 8K, catering to a wide range of devices and connection types. Supporting screen mirroring and screen extension, the Bdffly DT257W enables users to project content from laptops, cameras, set-top boxes, and compatible smartphones directly onto HD TVs, projectors, or monitors. This flexibility makes it suitable for various scenarios, from business presentations to family movie nights. The device delivers impressive audio and video quality with support for 4K decoding and 1080p at 60 Hz streaming, ensuring smooth visuals with minimal delay and excellent audio synchronization. Its backward compatibility with lower resolutions broadens the scope of devices and content it can handle. One of the standout features of this wireless HDMI system is its impressive transmission range. Using dual-frequency wireless transmission over 5G and 2.4G bands with HDMI 1.3 protocol, it supports stable and robust signals up to 164 feet. This extended range offers users the freedom to place their source devices and displays far apart without compromising signal quality. However, users should confirm that their mobile device's ports support HDMI output before use to ensure functionality. This wireless HDMI solution brings convenience and versatility to users seeking a clean, efficient way to stream high-quality content to larger screens. At number 3, we have the Figebny LS30 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Figebny LS30 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a simple, efficient way to stream high-definition content without the hassle of cables or complicated setup. Designed for immediate use, it features a plug-and-play system that connects devices within 5 seconds, eliminating the need for apps, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi. This makes it ideal for a variety of scenarios, from business presentations and classroom training to movie nights and gaming sessions, allowing users to switch seamlessly between screen mirroring and extended display modes. At the heart of the LS30 is an advanced 22-nanometer chip technology that improves performance and reduces power consumption compared to older 28-nanometer chipsets. This innovation contributes to a smoother, more stable operation with enhanced energy efficiency, providing users with a reliable and lasting wireless connection. The device supports true 4K decoding and outputs crisp 1080p Ultra HD at 60 Hz, ensuring vibrant and lag-free visuals. Thanks to advanced power management, the transmitted images maintain rich color depth and stable quality, whether used for work, entertainment, or education. With a dual-band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz chipset, the LS30 delivers wireless transmission up to 165 feet in open spaces. While physical barriers such as walls may slightly affect the signal strength and speed, the connection remains dependable for most home and office environments. The package includes an accessory kit valued at $40, offering various adapters USB-C to HDMI 4K, micro HDMI 8K, mini HDMI 8K, along with an HDMI cable and 2 Type-C cables. This wide compatibility ensures seamless connection across devices, including PCs, laptops, cameras, and popular smartphones like the Samsung S21, iPhone 15, and iPad 10th Gen or newer models. Compact and lightweight at just 0.2 pounds, the Figebny LS30 is highly portable, making it a convenient choice for professionals on the go or for those wanting to keep their living space tidy while enjoying wireless streaming in crisp HD anywhere. Next up at number 2 is the Braidol A1 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Braidol A1 wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a seamless, cable-free solution for transmitting high-quality video and audio signals with impressive ease. Designed with true plug-and-play functionality and featuring innovative zero-drop technology, this wireless HDMI system eliminates latency, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted streaming. Setting up takes less than 8 seconds without the need for complicated configurations, apps, Bluetooth pairing, or Wi-Fi connections, making it ideal for both professional and personal use. Boasting a remarkable transmission range of up to 328 feet, the Braidol A1 employs a dual-band 5G and 2.4G chip alongside a dynamic stability equalizer engine. This combination provides excellent resistance to interference, maintaining stable signal transmission even in challenging environments. Whether you are in a busy office or a crowded home network, the connection remains robust and reliable. Versatility is a key strength of the Braidol A1, supporting both wireless screen mirroring and extended display modes. Users can effortlessly project content from a variety of sources, such as laptops, cameras, or set-top boxes, to HD TVs, monitors, or projectors. This flexibility makes it suitable for presentations, gaming, home theaters, or creative workflows. Visual performance is enhanced by 4K decoding capabilities and 1080p Full HD output at 60 Hz, delivering crisp and vibrant images. The built-in LDS antenna enables ultra-fast HD+ transmission speeds, ensuring a high-definition viewing experience without delay or buffering. Compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.1 pounds, the device is designed for portability. It is universally compatible with a wide range of devices, including PCs, laptops, cameras, digital video players, TV boxes, and more, allowing users to carry their wireless HDMI setup wherever they go. Supporting customers with a 24-month replacement service and access to a professional technical team, Braidol A1 ensures a worry-free experience, making it a dependable choice for those seeking high-quality wireless HDMI transmission. Finally, at number 1, we have the Beyn wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. The Beyn wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver offers a seamless solution for wireless high-definition video and audio transmission. Designed to enhance your viewing and presentation experiences, this device supports up to 4K decoding and delivers 1080p ultra-high-definition output. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or conducting presentations, it ensures crisp and clear visuals. Equipped with an upgraded LED status display, the transmitter and receiver provide real-time updates on pairing, connection, signal strength, and power status. This feature helps users stay informed about device performance, reducing potential interruptions or troubleshooting needs. One of the standout features is its impressive transmission range, reaching up to 165 feet in open spaces. This makes it an excellent choice for home theaters, conference rooms, outdoor events, or any setting where flexibility in device placement is essential. The wireless connection supports screen mirroring and screen extension, enabling users to expand or duplicate their displays effortlessly. The Beyn system emphasizes ease of use with its plug-and-play design. Users can set up the devices quickly without installing additional apps or undergoing complex Bluetooth pairing. Its portable design makes it convenient to carry and use across different locations, catering to various connectivity needs. Compatibility is broad, covering personal computers, laptops, cameras, HD TVs, projectors, and TV boxes. This versatility makes it suitable for multiple scenarios, including corporate meetings, classroom presentations, home entertainment, outdoor viewing, and gaming sessions. For devices that cannot supply power through the HDMI port, the transmitter can be powered via an adapter or micro USB power source, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Overall, the Beyn wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver provide a reliable and versatile way to enjoy wireless high-definition content transmission with straightforward setup and wide device support.